So to locate the center of the last, first I find the center of the instep from the top of the last, and also the center of the last from the toe feather edge. Then I find it easier to lay a piece of masking tape from the instep, pulling it down to the toe. Pulling it down to the toe, and then straightening it to create a straight line joining both marked points. If you still want a more elaborated video on how to achieve this, you can check out my YouTube channel. I think I have a video on how to get a straight center line using the irregular ruler. Alright, so you do the same for the heel. Mark the center of the heel. This part is a little bit symmetrical and easier to eyeball than the front. And place the paper tape or masking tape joining both marked points. All right. Alright, so we've been able to get our center line, and also got our center of our heel.